Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to make trusted connections on Roblox in a smart and safe way. First, always start by playing popular and well-moderated games where real players are active. Join groups related to your favorite games because groups help you meet people with similar interests. When sending friend requests, talk first in public chat and see how the person behaves. Trusted connections are built over time, not in one match. Next, keep your conversations respectful and positive. Avoid sharing personal information like your real name, school, phone number, or social media. If someone pressures you to move the chat outside Roblox too quickly, that's a red flag. Use Roblox's privacy settings to control who can message or join you. Also, look at a player's profile before adding them. Check their account age, badges, and mutual friends. Older accounts with normal activity are usually more reliable than brand new ones. Finally, trust your instincts. If something feels suspicious, use the block or report feature. Subscribe the channel for more videos.